subscribers may
Would
see
see
the
it and-
story.
right.
I've posted it on Facebook and Instagram,
Man.
and I'm hoping that YouTube can use their platform,
platform.
to send the story out, and that many other persons may respond so that you
Respond to
can,
it.
because you're a hard-working
It's
person.
what's from the storm come and the suckers them grow. If you know, this is still crowded. Too
Wow.
much sucker one place. All them is now.
Right, but see how they're going back. Look at that. Whoa, guys. Look at the comeback.
Remember, you can see here when storm launch way down.
Right, look there, look at that. And look at this here too, is coming back together as well.
Suckers to take out. And it's, yeah, we're going to go down and show you again. They're surprised again. See it?
Right. He's coming back up. And look at the side coming back up. The new side that you had started over there.
Yeah, we're going that side.
Oh, that's the side we're going.